My name is Rachel, and this is our assembly video for our Jumbo OverEZ Chicken Coop.
Step 1. Place both pieces of your base on a level surface. Slide the pieces together, making sure that they are snug. Take the leg supports and attach them using the screws provided. Step 2. You will start by placing the back wall labeled A1 onto your coop. Next, the second back wall labeled A2. Make sure that the walls fit together snugly against the floor. You can use the pre-started screws on the bottom to secure the back wall to the base. Step 3. Now it's time to add the man door panel. Slide the man door panel into the cavities. Then, drive the 3 pre-started screws on the corners. After that, drive the 4 pre-started screws into the base. Step 4. You can go ahead and add the chicken door panel. Slide it into place, making sure the trim fits properly. Go ahead and drive the pre-started screws into the floor and wall. Step 5. To install the nesting box panel, start with the wall labeled C1. Slide it onto the base and gable wall. Next, use the wall labeled C2 and slide it onto the C1 wall. Make sure to screw the 2 screws connecting the walls first, then secure it to the floor using your pre-started screw. You will have 4 roof panels. You will start by placing E1 on the far side, closest to the chicken door panel. Next, F1 will be placed next to E1. You can secure them together using the middle beam. You can now place F2 and then E2. Make sure that your roof overlaps with each other and is sitting flush with the paint line. You can then drive your 8 pre-started screws that are on the top of the wall into the roof panels. Step 7. Use the screws to secure your brackets on your roosting bars. Drop the roost bars into the slots provided on the inside of the coop. Now your coop is complete. We hope your feathery friends enjoy their new home.